Google's dominance in the search engine world is facing a serious challenger, Perplexity AI. This platform uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to deliver a search experience unlike any other. But what are the key features that set it apart? We'll explore all in this video. What is Perplexity AI? The way we search the web is on the verge of a revolution. Perplexity AI offers a fresh approach to web searches, shaking things up for users accustomed to the traditional Google experience. Imagine you could ask any question to a search tool and instantly receive an accurate, complete, and current answer. This means you wouldn't have to spend time clicking through lots of different websites to find what you're looking for. This is what Perplexity AI offers. It's a smart search tool and conversation bot that understands and responds to questions using cutting-edge techniques. These techniques include understanding human language and learning from data to give you the best answers to your questions. Perplexity AI began in 2022, created by 4 people who used to work on AI at Google. They started their own company to make a search engine that uses a type of smart technology to generate answers. Perplexity is a mix of a chatbot similar to ChatGPT and a regular search engine like Google, where you click on blue links to find information. When you ask questions using everyday language, it gives you a written answer right away, but also provides links if you want to learn more. This way of giving both direct answers and helpful links is what makes many people think it will be the next big thing in both chatbots and search engines. It uses big language models like ChatGPT technology from OpenAI to make sense of and create text that sounds very human. This technology helps Perplexity AI grab the full meaning behind a question and come up with answers that fit well, pulling information from many places like Wikipedia, news sites, blogs, and books. This way, it can give answers that are not just accurate, but also rich in context and information from a mix of sources. Perplexity AI can be used in 2 main ways, as a search engine and as a chatbot. When used as a search engine, you can type a question into a text box and get back an answer that might be in the form of text, an image, a table, a graph, or code, depending on what you're asking about. On the other hand, when used as a chatbot, Perplexity AI can have a smooth and natural chat with you, answering your questions and even giving some extra information or advice. This flexibility lets it help users in various ways, making it more than just a tool for finding quick answers. These chatbots are also changing how we find information online. Instead of just seeing links, we can ask a chatbot a question and get a detailed answer. But these bots, like ChatGPT, don't give links to where they got their info, so you can't check the source. Unlike Google, which gives you links to explore more, ChatGPT just gives you a list. But Perplexity AI does it differently. It not only gives you answers, but also links to where it found them, so you can get both quick answers and the option to dig deeper. This mix of quick info and the links might be the future of online research. Perplexity AI is not just a regular search engine, it's a super smart assistant that uses the power of language to give you exactly what you're looking for, and then some. What makes it stand out is how it can create all sorts of creative content. Imagine asking it to write something for you, like a spooky horror story, a heartfelt love poem, or even a catchy rap song. Perplexity AI takes your ideas and spins them into something new and original, using its vast understanding of language and different styles of writing. But it doesn't just stop at stories and poems. You can ask it for jokes to share with your friends, or even parodies of your favorite celebrities, making it feel like they're part of your conversation. This ability to generate various types of content makes Perplexity AI an incredibly versatile tool. It's like having a personal writer at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life in ways you might not have imagined. Whether you're looking for entertainment, inspiration, or just a bit of fun, Perplexity AI's content generation feature opens up a world of creative possibilities. Perplexity AI shines not only in generating creative content, but also in its ability to break down complex ideas into something easy to understand. This is incredibly useful when you're trying to wrap your head around subjects that might seem daunting at first. Whether it's quantum physics, the inner workings of blockchain technology, or the principles behind artificial intelligence, Perplexity AI can simplify these concepts. It does this by using straightforward examples, making comparisons to more familiar things, or even incorporating images to make the explanation clearer. This feature is similar to having a knowledgeable tutor on hand, ready to demystify the toughest topics in a way that makes sense to you. On top of that, Perplexity AI is a polyglot, capable of translating languages in both written and spoken forms. This means you can easily translate a piece of text from Spanish to English, or understand a conversation happening in French by translating it into German. This translation capability is powered by sophisticated machine learning models that not only convert words from one language to another, but also strive to capture the nuances and context of the original message. This makes Perplexity AI not just a tool for finding information or creating content, but also a bridge between languages, helping to connect people and ideas across the globe. Whether you're learning a new language, traveling, or working with international teams, this feature can simplify communication and broaden your horizons. Perplexity AI isn't just about explaining complex concepts or translating languages, it's also a handy tool for anyone who codes. Whether you're working with Python, Java, or C++, Perplexity AI can step in to debug your code. This means it can find and fix errors, or even suggest ways to make your code run more efficiently or cleanly. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that can spot the little or big mistakes that are easy to overlook when you've been staring at your screen for hours. This feature can be a real time saver, helping you to not only correct your work, but also learn from the process, making you a better coder over time. But Perplexity AI's abilities extend into the real world too, with its knack for activity planning. Imagine you're in a new city and looking to make the most of your day. Perplexity AI can guide you, suggesting fun places to visit, making reservations at a recommended restaurant for a romantic dinner, or helping you plan appointments and events. This feature is a personal assistant and travel guide all rolled into one, tailored to your interests and needs. For those who want even more from Perplexity AI, there's an option to upgrade to a pro account starting at $20 a month. With this, users get access to advanced AI models and pro features, making Perplexity AI an even more powerful and comprehensive tool. Whether you're seeking a free search experience with basic capabilities or the enhanced offerings of a pro account, Perplexity AI offers a range of options to suit different needs, pushing the boundaries of what an AI-powered assistant can do. What advantages does Perplexity AI have over Google? Perplexity AI is a fresh alternative to Google, aiming to address some of Google's limitations. While Google focuses on matching keywords to deliver fast results, Perplexity AI takes it a step further by understanding the context and nuances of your search queries. This means it can offer more accurate and relevant results, especially for complex or detailed questions. It stands out from Google by directly answering questions with a concise response and a list of sources, saving users time and effort. Unlike Google, which might take a while to update, Perplexity AI provides real-time information, making it great for recent events or quickly changing topics. Plus, it allows for a more natural conversation, whether through text or voice, making searches feel more personal and interactive. Perplexity AI is changing how we look for and use information on the internet, offering a fresh alternative to Google. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for tuning in.